My name's Hugh Pettigrove, and we're here from H&L Constructions, and we're here to lay some roof. Today we're here in Aura, the city of colour, surrounded by the beautiful Glasshouse Mountains, and we're building the Anaconda roof. We are roofing about 8 commercial buildings here. We've got a combined square meterage of over 20,000 square metres. Today we're using a 145mm Eco-Tough and a 115mm roof raiser to achieve an R-value of 3.6. We've been using Ecolife for 10 plus years now. They've been great to deal with. Knauf supplies all the products to Ecolife and they make a great product. Knauf, compared to other products, is far superior. It's not itchy, it's not dusty. So the process is start with the machines either end. We wire out end to end with a rope and a pulley system. Then once that's down, we get the edge protection installed. We get the handover certificate for the wire done, and it's safe for everyone to come up on the roof. Crane up all our Eco-Tough roof raisers, and then we get the boys straight into it. We'll lay the Eco-Tough, roof raiser, clip lock clip, and then we put the sheet down. Knauf is top tier. Can't really compete with it. I'd recommend Knauf installation to builders all across Australia.